Hey there, iOS enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a common issue that some of you might be facing: iOS 17 not showing up in beta updates. Don't worry, we've got you covered with some troubleshooting steps to get you back on track. First things first, let's make sure your device is eligible for the iOS 17 beta program. Apple sometimes limits beta updates to newer devices, so double-check if your device is compatible. These are the devices compatible with iOS 17. So make sure your device comes under this. So if you have set beta updates to iOS 17 public beta and still if you don't see it, then I'll be giving the beta profiles link in the description. You can download it from there, which also includes iPad OS 17. So tap on the link. Go for Allow. Then close it and go back to Settings. Here you'll see Profile downloaded. Tap on it. Go for Install. Proct with Install. Tap on Not Now. And go back to Settings. Then General. Software Updates. And here you'll see the iOS 17 beta update for you. You can download and install iOS 17 beta right from here. And there you have it, folks. Those are the steps to troubleshoot iOS 17 not showing up in beta updates. Remember, beta software can sometimes be a bit finicky, so if you're not comfortable troubleshooting, you might want to wait for the official release. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more iOS tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.